Mic check, 1 2 1 2. What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? It's your guy, Mr. DCYLP, and I have another, yes, I said another tutorial for you guys today. Okay, now before I get into my rant, if you haven't subscribed yet and you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button to show me that you like the content. And make sure you hit that bell so every time I make a video, you guys can get alerted and you don't miss anything, all right? So, for a while, I've been, designing, Chennille patches and stuff like that. And I've been trying to, get some manufacturing, but the lead time this year, because COVID is killing everything. Everything is behind. Everything is slow. So what I did was I designed a patch, but I wanted to see if I can actually make a heat transfer out of it. All right, so I went with Supacolor. Now I got the transfers up in the lab. I'm going to take you guys up there in a minute. But if you don't know what a Chennille patch is, let me just show you. All right, this is one of my Chennille patches. All right, the big DCYLP University patches. With the yarn and the thread. All right, this is another style. This is another style right here. My path chosen, see no evil, speak no evil, hear no evil patch. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna see how these things came out. You guys know I always do the unboxings with you, so I haven't even opened it yet. All right, so I ain't gonna keep ranting. Let's go. This thing open. As always, I'm excited. If this goes well, they look good. If this goes well, this is actually going to be designed for my new hoodie I'm about to drop. All right. So this is the Supacolor wearable heat transfer. All right. Now it calls for a 10 to 15 second application at a temperature of 290 and 320 degrees Fahrenheit. This can be applied to cotton garments, polyester garments, and polycotton garments. Great, because today I picked up a blank sweatshirt to do the test on. All right, now this is just a basic Russell athletic sweatshirt I grabbed, athletic gray, and it's actually 50% cotton and 50% polyester. Normally I go with all cotton garments, and most likely when I make these hoodies, I'm definitely gonna go with 100% cotton. But I want to see how this comes out as well, because I know there was a few people that had issues with, burning their garments, and garments burn when they got, a lot of polyester in them. All right, so let's put this to the test. Now let me pull out one of these transfers so y'all can see exactly how they came out, because they're beautiful. I'm not surprised at all at how they came out. All right, Supacolor hasn't let me down yet. See the detail? That damn near looks like it freaking looks like it's a real Chennille patch, but it's a transfer. Look at it. Okay. So let's get this applied. Heat press is already set at 320 degrees, ready to go. Okay, let's just lay it down. Line it up. Slide the drawer in. 15 seconds. I know it's gonna be banging. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow, wow, wow. Would you look at that? Beautiful, beautiful. These transfers came out amazing. This looks like a college sweatshirt you pick up, you know, that they're selling on campus, you know, in the campus store or whatever, with those Chennille letters. Look at that. So I pretty much just took this basic Russell sweatshirt and turned it into something that looks amazing. All right, and this is just a sample that I wanted to use to see how it came out. I'm actually going to be putting these designs on a few different other color hooded sweatshirts. All right, I'm going to start with rose gold. Normally I go with like black, red, heather gray, or navy blue. I really like the concept of coming out, you know, with my first hoodie this season in rose gold. But in the meantime, that thing right there look good. All right, so if you ever want to know if you can create the same concept of a Chennille style sweatshirt, definitely go with Supacolor. This is your Supacolor wearable option once again, and came out amazing. Make sure you guys, once again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you think this sweatshirt came out amazing. Oh, and as you can see, there's no burn marks. Okay, so, and I really didn't change any of the settings on my heat press. I left them the same. I left the same settings that I normally use with my 100% cotton heat transfers, and big ups to Supacolor. You guys did it again. All right. So, like I always say at the end of my visuals, remember, always choose your own path. Let's go.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.